नमस्कार. आमच्या बरोबर असतात गोयचे भलायकी मंत्री आणि जे सध्या या कोरोना व्हायरस कोविड-19च्या वराचेर फोर फ्रंटाचेर असतात विश्वजीत राणे सर. वेलकम टू द शो. सगळ्यात गजाल म्हाका दिसता मेजर डेव्हलपमेंट्स आसात आयच्या दिसाक आनी बरी डेव्हलपमेंट्स आसात. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द गुड. किती आहा आयच्यो डेव्हलपमेंट्स एंड हाऊ आर यू एनालायझिंग दीस डेव्हलपमेंट?
Today, we retested the 5 patients which were at the COVID hospital. And कितें आसता तेका एक वेगळो तरेचो प्रोटोकॉल आसता. त्या प्रोटोकॉलच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां तांकां आयज जर टेस्ट केले तर परत एकदा 24 वरां उपरांत तांकां परत टेस्ट करचे पडटा. म्हणजे आयजचे ते 2 पेशंटांचे टेस्ट नेगेटिव्ह आयिल्ले आसा आनी फाल्यां परत एकदा सकाळी वील रन द टेस्ट एंड इफ इट कम्स नेगेटिव्ह देन वॉट वी नीड टू डू इज डिस्चार्ज देम फ्रॉम that facility and we need to quarantine them for 28 days under medical supervision. So this is what is today's status. We are hoping that tomorrow's tests also come negative for us to actually call it negative so that we can discharge them. What I feel till now, our Dr. Edwin and the whole team, Dr. Anar and Dr. Edwin, jenche under the team COVID hospital asa, te bare kaam karta. आमचे डीन बरे काम करता and we have got a very proactive secretary health and our director health services day and night. एक सांगता तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान की आमची पूर्ण टीम एक बऱ्यापैकी काम करपाचो त्यांचो प्रयत्न अंडर द गायडन्स ऑफ आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर. अँड वॉट वी आर डुईंग इज we are seeing that I feel what it encourages you is that the line of treatment and guidelines are absolutely encouraging that we are following and as a result of which we are on the right track.
एक गजाल सांगली लोकांक कळपा खातीर पॉझिटिव्ह नेगेटिव्ह जावप म्हळ्यार मेडिकली इन लेमॅन्स टर्म्स कितें आनी हाजे मुखाल्ले प्रोटोकॉल कितें?
म्हणजे तो प्रोटोकॉल ह्या तरेचो आसता की तो पॉझिटिव्हांतल्यान जर नेगेटिव्ह जालो तर एकूच हा की what we say is that he is recovering and he is in a better state condition in terms of health and he is recovering. नेगेटिव्ह खऱ्या अर्थान ताका म्हणपाक जाय जाल्यार आयज जर ताका नेगेटिव्ह जर जाला परत एकदा तो प्रोटोकॉल प्रमाणे 24 वरां नंतर टेस्ट घेतल्या उपरांत बी तो नेगेटिव्ह जावंक जाय. म्हणजे ही इज ऑन द वे ऑफ रिकवरी एंड ही डज वी कॅनॉट कॉल हिम कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह आणि but he can still be a carrier as a result of which we need to as per guidelines quarantine him for 28 days. So that also under medical supervision we are going to do it. So this is the situation as far as we are concerned, where Goa is concerned.
एक लोकांक आयकुपाक जाणून घेवपाक हें आसतलें उमेद आसतली ते म्हळ्यार हाऊ इज दीस प्रोसेस फ्रॉम पॉझिटिव्ह टू नेगेटिव्ह? प्रोटोकॉल्स कितें आनी चान्सीस कितें?
प्रोटोकॉल म्हणजे आमकां ट्रीटमेंट दिवपाचे गायडलायन केंद्र सरकारान दिल्ले आसा. The treatment is that means the patient is responding well to the present treatment that we are giving. As you know, there are several states which have been reporting that their patients have recovered and gone home. So this is one. If tomorrow it comes negative, फाल्यां जर ते टेस्ट परत नेगेटिव्ह आयले आम्ही बी म्हणू शकता की गोंयात 2 केसेस आमचे रिकवर झाले फ्रॉम पॉझिटिव्ह टू नेगेटिव्ह. हेजो म्हणपाचो उद्देश इतलोच की आनी एकूच दिसता की what we are doing and protocols आमचे डॉक्टर जे फॉलो करतात ते योग्य तरेचे प्रोटोकॉल अंडर गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सुपरविजन.
एक गजाल आता 5 तुम्ही म्हणटा 2 जाणांचो नेगेटिव्ह आयलो. हाऊ इज द हेल्थ ऑफ अदर 3?
All 5 patients are stable. Not a single patient requires a ventilator at the moment. But एकट्याकूच that person who we thought may having some sort of infection, he is also stable. But म्हाका दिसता 5 लोकांक आयज पर्यंत गरज पडूंक ना व्हेंटिलेटर यूज करपाक, which is a very good sign that all are doing pretty well.
दुसरी गजाल मॅम अनेक टेस्ट जाल्यात आज अनेक ज्योय नेगेटिव्ह आयल्यात. सो what are the numbers in terms of those tests?
आयज जे टेस्ट कंप्लीट झाले 9 टेस्ट कंप्लीट झाले 8 टेस्ट कंप्लीट झाले ते 8 काय 9 टेस्ट I think it's about 8 tests. All 8 tests are negative and 28 tests are in process. So by midnight or early morning we are keeping a constant vigil. We will come to know the results of the other 28 tests. Goa Medical College virology lab is functioning extremely well. I would like to assure गोयचे जनतेक हांव अश्योर करून सोदता की आमचे लॅब व्यवस्थित चल्ला त्याचे काम आणि आम्ही माय लॅब्स कडल्यान आमचे किट्स आयज रातचे 1 सुमार पावतले एडिशनल. प्रत्येक किटचे माध्यमांतल्यान आम्ही कमीत कमी 100 टेस्ट करू शकता. त्या तरेन आमचे सगळे लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंट पासून सगळे गोष्टी करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा आणि हे 28 टेस्ट बी हांव देवा कडेन मागता ते बी नेगेटिव्ह येवचे. हे 9 ऑलरेडी 8 काय 9 ते ऑलरेडी आयिल्ले आसा आणि जर डाऊट खंय लागलो डॉक्टराक वी रन द टेस्ट अगेन सो दॅट वी आर शुअर जे रिझल्ट जे येता दॅट इज एक्युरेट अँड वी टेक द राईट स्टेप्स.
आणि एक गजाल जी महत्वाची आहा ती म्हळ्यार आज तुमची प्रायम मिनिस्टरा बरोबर जाल्ली व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंग. सो व्हॉट इज देअर ऑन दॅट फ्रंट?
Video conferencing was exhaustive. आणि प्रत्येक राज्याक एक संधी आशिल्ली, एक 10 राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री उलयले, कारण दर व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंगान मुख्य प्रधानमंत्रीचे नरेंद्र मोदीजीचे एक वेगळे तरेचे एक आउटलूक असता. प्रत्येक जण एक वेगळ्या तरेन ते रावतात की प्रधानमंत्री कितें सांगतले आणि त्यांचे कितें आउटलूक आहे हे कशें आमी फुडें वचप. आयज 10 मुख्यमंत्री जे उलयले त्यांचे राज्या बद्दल ते उलयले, पण सगळ्यांची युनॅनिमिटी आशिल्ली दॅट वी आर गेटिंग ट्रिमेंडस सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अँड फ्रॉम द ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी. आणि त्यांनी हे बी सांगले की तुमकां जर फाल्यां त्यांचे आतांच मेसेज आयले की एक व्हिडिओ कितें तरी शेअर जातली आयज नाल्यार फाल्यां, त्यांची एक व्हिडिओ, त्यांचो एक मेसेज. प्लस कितें आहा की आयज प्रधानमंत्रीन एकूच सांगला, प्रत्येक मुख्यमंत्री, प्रत्येक आरोग्य मंत्रीक एकूच सांगला की आयज आमचे चीफ सेक्रेटरी आशिल्ले, होम सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ, आणि इतलेच मेसेज आयला की लॉकडाऊन जर आमी काडटा 14 तारखेक, हेजो अर्थ ना की एव्हरीथिंग इज फायन. डोंट नो, त्यांचे एक विशेष सूचना असली मुख्यमंत्रीक आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक की मास गॅदरिंग करप न्हय. हे लॉकडाऊन काडले तरी बी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगाची नॉर्म दवरपाची गरज आहा. त्याच बरोबर व्हडले रिलिजियस फंक्शन, दिस इज नॉट अ टाइम फॉर सेलिब्रेशन. एनी कम्युनिटी, वी मस्ट ऑल प्रे that we are able to all be united and come across as a united country to fight COVID-19 and overcome this war against COVID-19. And he said it is worse than a war. We must all put our energies and focus at the moment should be in. And he said today to all of us that we have been fortunate that to a great extent we got time for capacity building and procurement in order to fight and put things in place to fight COVID-19. But still, this is if you look at the trajectory and you look at the way the curve is going, we are at a very crucial phase. Lokan, just because the lockdown is removed, you can move around freely and all. One should actually go out only if required. One should actually go where it is required. However much companies are there, they should try to see that they are able to work online. हेजो उद्देश इतलोच की गरज पडल्यार भायर सरात, नाल्यार गरज ना.
तुम्ही म्हणटा साधे लॉकडाऊन काढलो म्हणून सगळे जाण गेले रस्त्यार आणि फिरपा लागले, अशी परिस्थिती जावपाक जायना.
आमी आयज आमी दिल्लीचे प्रकरण पळयता, निजामुद्दीन प्रकरण कितें जालां ते सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की कशी कितें घटना घडल्या. आनी अचानक देशान कसो रायज कोरोना व्हायरस जालो, हे कर्व जर तुम्ही पळयल्यार म्हाका दिसता की आमी सगळ्यांनी सावध रावपाची गरज आसा. आमकां सगळ्यांक एक युनायटेड कंट्री आनी एक युनायटेड टीम म्हणून काम करपाची आमचो प्रयत्न आसूं. गोंयान बी मुख्यमंत्रीचे लिडरशीप सकयल आमी सगळे लोक एकत्र येवन काम करता. तशेंच देशान प्रत्येक मुख्यमंत्री प्रधानमंत्रीचे गायडन्स सकयल काम करपाचो सगळ्यांचो प्रयत्न. हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियान आमकां प्रेझेंटेशन दिल्लें आसा. म्हणून आमकां विचार करूंक जाय, कित्याक आयज हो वॉर इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट ओवर टुडे एंड टुमॉरो. We are hoping that it comes down. So example given was of Singapore, where again we thought it had plateaued, but again the cases have started rising in Singapore. So there is no logic whether it is hot, weather is hot, humidity is high, the coronavirus cannot spread. आणि त्यांनी हे बी आमकां चेतावणी दिली की कदाचित ऑक्टोबर, नोव्हेंबर, डिसेंबरान बी आमकां लक्ष घालचें पडटलें, कित्याक थंड वेदरान ते कशे रिएक्ट जाता. म्हणजे म्हाका तरी दिसता की फुडले 7-8 महिने आमकां व्यवस्थित प्रत्येक नागरिकान सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग
वागची पडटलें. शिस्तीन वागची पडटलें
100%. आणि ते बी सांगलेले आसा की इवन पॅरलली आमच्या राज्यात आमी कितें कितें करूं शकता, इकॉनॉमिकली आमी कितें कितें करूं शकता, तरेतरेच्या गोष्टी त्यांची चर्चा झाली. अँड इट वॉज अ व्हेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव्ह इंटरॅक्शन.
म्हाका लास्ट एक गजाल, जे दिल्ली सावन जे पेशंट आयल्यात, काल गोवा पुलिसांनी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले जे निजामुद्दीनाक गेल्ले, दे हॅव बीन रेफर्ड टू दी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट. त्या फ्रंटाचेर किती उपाय येवजण जाल्या?
ते 9 लोक जे आहा ते मुख्यमंत्री मॉनिटर करतात. ते 9 लोक जे आयल्या ते आयडेंटिफाय जाल्ले आसा. काही फोंड्याचे आशिल्ले, काही बिचोलीचे आशिल्ले. ते कोणाकडे संपर्कान आयल्या. आनी हांव विनंती करता तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान की जर कोण ह्या लोकांकडचे संपर्कान आयल्या, प्रत्येक मनशांनी ती माहिती पब्लीक हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट नाल्यार होम डिपार्टमेंटाक दिवपाची गरज आहा. कारण we are in a better position to see if they have come in contact with anybody, to quarantine those people and also to see who they have been in touch with, so that we take extra precautions so that the coronavirus and COVID-19 doesn't spread in the state of Goa. This is a responsibility on every citizen. नाना विनंती करता, हांगा खंयचेच समाजाचेर मतभेद न करता, कसलेच वेगळ्या तरेची भावना न दवरता आमी सगळे सेक्युलर माइंडेड लोक. त्याच बरोबर आमी आमचो प्रयत्न आसूंक जाय की थंयचे ते 9 लोक आयले ते कोणाचे संपर्कान गोंयान आयले हे लोकांनी सांगपाची गरज आसा. बिकॉज दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज डिलिंग विथ द सेफ्टी अँड हेल्थ ऑफ एव्हरी सिटीजन ऑफ गोवा. हांव विनंती करता तुमच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माच्या माध्यमांतल्यान की कोणी तांकां मेळ्ळ्या हे सगळे माहिती तुम्ही मातशे ऑथॉरिटी कडेन पावपाचो प्रयत्न तुम्ही करपाकूच जाय. वी हॅव टू कीप गोवा सेफ अँड वी वॉन्ट टू कीप गोवा सेफ.
सर, थँक्स अ लॉट. एनिथिंग एल्स यू वॉन्ट टू टेल गोवन्स? I won't keep you long.
We
You are
have
really,
also,
really struggling hard.
we are also in the process of launching the app which basically traces the people who are under quarantine, and basically we are using a particular app so that we know if a person is quarantining and is breaking the quarantine, is going out of that particular area. I think by today, latest by today or tomorrow, we will have that app up and about. So I'll WhatsApp it to you so that you can share it with the
Yeah.
people. And what we are going to do is, what whoever is under quarantine, that information will be already loaded so that we have, through our dashboard, are able to locate the person and see whether he's under home quarantine, whether he's going out of that particular area, and we'll be actually tracking the person. It will be a tracking, it's sort of a tracking device, and we want to use technology as much as possible so that we are able to keep Goa safe.
Yeah. So thanks a lot. I mean, I think there is a huge response to all your updates on our social media pages, on YouTube, everywhere. So thanks a lot for talking to Goans. We'll keep this hotline open.
Yeah,
Let us interact with Goans as and when you require it.
and also we are grateful to Prudent Media for having supported us and giving every
So
update to the.
completely whatever you need.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, sir. नमस्कार. या खाशेल्या ब्रॉडकास्टाक तुमकां येवकार. आमचे बरोबर आसात गोंयांतले नामनेचे दोतोर डॉक्टर ऑस्कर रिबेलो. आणि विशय ऑब्वियसली आसा कोरोना व्हायरसाचो. बट एक दोतोर म्हण सद्याची परिस्थिती पळयतकीर तांकां कितें दिसता? कितल्योश्योच गजाली आमी इंटरनेटार वाचतात, थियरीज आयकतात, अशें तशें सगळें. आनी सद्या सगळे जाण घरा कडेन लॉकडावनाक बशिल्ल्यान ते वाचतकीर प्रत्येकाची तकल्याक बरें आनी वायट सगळे विचार घुंवपाक लागतात. नक्की कितें ही परिस्थिती हाजेर आमी उलयतले दोतोरा कडेन. दोतोर वेलकम टू द शो. सगळ्यांत पयली गजाल म्हळ्यार आय थिंक आय शूड कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट यू अँड थँक यू फॉर वन थिंग. हांवें आयकलां की खूब जाण दोतोर सध्या वचनात, पण तुमी रेग्युलरली वचून पेशंट पळयतात. सो वाय डीड यू डिसायड टू टेक दिस रिस्क? लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ दॅट.
I don't think one should make too much about any risk or anything, Pramod. दोतोर समज वचना जाल्यार पेशंट प्रमाणे दोतोर कित्याक करता? वेल आमी जितले पयशे केल्या पळय इन द गुड टायम्स, इन्वेस्ट इट इन द स्टॉक मार्केट आनी घरा कडेन बसपाचें. बट इट इज नॉट अबाउट मी. आय थिंक चड करून शाबासकी दिवपा जाय पळय ती खरेंच म्हणल्यार म्हाज्या प्रमाणे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीचे दोतोर जे खरेच are the ones exposed to the coronavirus COVID. There are junior doctors, junior residents जे कोविड वॉर्डान काम करतात पळय ते with protective equipment, but you must give them credit. Dr. Edwin Gomes and his team, Dr. Anar Kandeparkar आणि बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स आसा पळय ते फ्रॉम गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज, तांकां खरेच म्हणल्यार शाबासकी दिवपा जाय की डिस्पायट having families, despite the fear of contracting the disease, ते आसात थंय खांबे कशे आनी आपलें काम करतात.
एक गजाल, तुमी आतां इतली पेशंटाक पळयतात आनी एक आमचो नंबर जर पळयलो गोंया भितर, आमी देशा कडेन मागीर या, बट गोंया भितर जर नंबर पळयलो जाल्यार ऑल्दो वी आर वरीड, वी आर नॉट अलार्म. त्या अलार्मींग स्टेजीचेर आमी पावल्या तशें दिसना. तुमकां ही परिस्थिती पळयतकीर कितें दिसता की अलार्मींग आसा ना आनी कित्या खातीर?
ना, एक खूब होप दिसता. आज ब्रेस्तार ऑलरेडी ऑलमोस्ट 2 वीक जाले, 2 आठवडे जाले लॉकडावनाची म्हळ्यार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या लॉकडावना बद्दल. पूण आमच्या प्रमाणे हें दुयेंस कोविड जें आयलां पळय तें देशान 100% ऑलमोस्ट बाय द फर्स्ट वीक और सेकंड वीक ऑफ मार्चान 100% आयलें आसतलें. ती तबलेगी निजामुद्दीनान जाली पळय ती, ते 8 तारखेर किंवा 6 तारखेर सुमार सुरवात जाल्ली. So माझ्या प्रमाणे that kind of entry of the COVID virus into this country has already started either from mid-February or end February, certainly at least the second week of March. So ते दवर्शी जाल्यार ऑलरेडी एक 3 ते 4 आठवडे जाले की COVID is probably lurking in the Indian society. There may be some amount of community transmission. पूण आमी आतां पर्यंत एक एक्सप्लोजन जशें स्पेनान जालें, इटलीन जालें, अमेरिकेन जालें, चायनान जालें पळय तें जे न्युमोनियाचे पेशंट जाले ते व्हेंटिलेटराचेर गेले ते कोणी आमी पळयना. सद्याक कोणी हांव डेली म्हाज्या फ्रेंडा कडेन उलयता मेडिकल कॉलेजीन बी तसले पेशंट आमकां अजून येवंक ना. ही म्हणल्यार एक खरोच म्हणल्यार चमत्कार आनी I think it is the effort of everybody to keep it under control, and maybe we as a country are just lucky. I don't know. Let's see how our luck holds out. आणि एक आठवडो कोणी पळोवपा जाय चित्र बदलपा शकता. हे दुयेंस तशें
देशाची परिस्थिती पळयली तर देशाची परिस्थिती आणि कंट्री वाईड नंबर्स पळयतकीर what do you feel? I mean, everybody is saying that we are not as fast catching up the trend of the world, which is a good thing. We are much behind. We should have peaked much more by now, which we have not, which is also good. But if you look at it, is that a reason to be a little complacent and relaxed?
No. You cannot be complacent and relaxed. या दुयेंसा बद्दल complacent आणि relaxed म्हणून जावंकूच शकना. कित्याक खास करून आमी गोंयकार, हांव फक्त गोंया बद्दल उलयतलो, की खास करून गोंयकार जो आसा पळय तो सदांच चिंतता की you know, the description is the Goan always likes to walk on the sunny side of the street. So सुशेगाद, he loves to काय नाही रे, आम्ही वचया, कॉप मारया, बसया, आमची शीत म्हण घेऊया, काय नाही फॉल. No, please do not take that attitude at all. Though the data and statistics show that we are not spiking or going into that kind of a explosive phase right now, you never know with this virus. This virus is like a moving target. केन्ना चित्र बदलपा शकता, केन्ना कितें जावंक शकता पळय तें कांयच सांगूंक जायना. सो गोंयकार अजून पर्यंत सामको सांबाळून रावपा जाय. ज्या प्रमाणे आदेश येतात पळय ते सरकाराचे ते मानून घेवपा जाय. आनी लॉकडावन हय खरें की ग्रोसरीज हाडपाक, दूध हाडपाक, वखदां हाडपाक तुम्ही भायर सरता पळय तें बरें आसा, पूण ताच्या शिवाय वेळेर वचून, हांगा बसून, फ्रेंडा बरोबर बसून, बारान बसून ते म्हाज्या प्रमाणे we cannot start that, not for the next 3 months or so. I don't think we can get back to a normal social life that we were used to. I think this will have to come very, very slowly. Will have to come graded, and the experts will take the call on that after the 14th of April.
सद्याक तुमकां सगळ्यात reassuring गजाल खंयची, that our hospitals are not flooded with respiratory problem cases and pneumonia kind of cases. Is that the most reassuring thing? Ki samja, although we are not testing as much as we should have, and the magnitude of country that we are, what is the most reassuring from a medical practitioner's point of view? Is it that okay, your cases disnat, hagar there is no community spread? Is that what you are implying?
I wouldn't say there is no community spread, Pramod. See, you must understand how any virus or any pandemic works. For the pandemic to get over, there must be community spread, or community spread garjecho. At least 60 to 70% of the population must develop the virus, and then we develop something called herd immunity. ताजो अर्थ की आमकां सगळ्याक अशी एक immunity yeta against the virus, and that then takes care of the virus in the virulent form against the elderly population. ही एक नवीन virus आयली पळय ती लोकांक कांयच immunity नाशिल्ली ह्या देशांनी, युरोपान, चायनान आनी इराण आनी अमेरिकेक, आनी म्हणून इतल्या लोकांक मारपा लागली. So as time goes on, people will start developing immunity to the virus and then start fighting the virus. So अशें न्ही की व्हायरस ह्या देशान येवचो ना पळय, पूण आयलो जाल्यार सोकास आयलो जाल्यार, आणि if we are lucky, that is probably what is happening, is if there's a subclinical transmission किंवा आमची एक क्रॉस इम्युनिटी म्हणले असता, आमकां इतके कोरोना व्हायरस जाले आसतले, सार जायले, मर जायले, आणि आमची परिस्थिती ह्या देशान आमी असले इतके सामके स्वच्छ साफ न्ही. So probably there is a theory that we have got some degree of cross immunity against this virus, and therefore
we have encountered too many rat viruses even in our daily life.
Correct. So probably we've got a kind of an innate immunity against these viruses. This is the theory being put out, but it's still early days. This does not mean that the population and ashem darche ki आमी भारतीय लोक सामके अमर म्हणून कांयच जायना म्हणून आमकां आमी भायर सरपाचे आमचे सगळे रिलिजियस प्रोसेशन्स करपाचे सगळ्यो पॉलिटिकल मिटिंग्स करपाच्यो आनी मागीर परत त्रास जावचो आनी परत दोतोरांची याद करपाची.
We should not think that our unhygiene is saving us. That's what you are saying.
No. Maybe it is a small fringe benefit of the lack of hygiene. I do not know, but that is the theory that is being put out.
पण एक गजाल आसा की हर्ड इम्युनिटी म्हणटा ते आमी खूब आयकलां. आमी ते सुरवात UK सावन आयकुपाक सुरवात केली आनी ते आयकतकीर पयलीं मातसो भंय दिसलो. बट देर इज अ सायंटिफीक बेसीस फॉर अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हर्ड इम्युनिटी. सो ही हर्ड इम्युनिटी म्हळ्यार कितें एंड वाय UK, Spain failed? If it was such a strong, fundamentally potent concept, why they failed? What is herd immunity and why they failed?
हर्ड इम्युनिटी म्हणल्यार जेन्ना एक जिवाणू येता पळय बॅक्टेरिया जावं व्हायरस जावं कितें स्पेशली व्हायरसीस जशें हांवें म्हणलां पळय तें 60% लोकांक 70% लोकांक इन द पॉप्युलेशनाक ते व्हायरस जाता एक इम्युनिटी बिल्डअप जाता अँड दॅट इम्युनिटी देन in many ways protects the rest of the people who are not affected, keeps the virus under control, and there is a slow, what we call a slow burn. So दुयेंत जाले सिरियस जाले जाल्यारूय थोड्या प्रमाणे थोड्या नंबरांनी दुयेंत जाता. The big problem in the UK or in Spain or in Italy or Iran or even now in the US is this overwhelming number of people who are falling sick at the same time and requiring ventilatory support. Ventilatory support म्हणल्यार व्हेंटिलेटराची इतली गरज पडटा की व्हेंटिलेटरूच कमी पडटा. सो इतले लोक ताका लागून मरतात. So let the virus come in a slow burn. If it was to happen in a slow burn, it would be good. But unfortunately, it's coming in so fast in these populations.
They are unable to cope up.
That it's very difficult to cope with the number of pneumonias and ARDS patients that would go on ventilators, and that is the problem, and that is why the lockdown has taken place, so that even if we get the virus, we should get it slowly, that we don't get so many severe cases that require ventilatory support.
कित्याक लागून दोतोर, why do you think UK or Spain, one thing they cannot cope up because of the overwhelming number, but why this herd community concept you think failed in those countries?
That is still matter of conjecture. कित्या म्हणून जावंक ना म्हळ्यार एक कारण लोक चिंतता की the virus spreads better in the colder climates, because if you see till as of today the temperatures in New York, in Washington state, in Chicago, in Spain, in Italy, in France, even in Iran, Qom and Tehran, which we think is part of Arabia, but even in Qom and Tehran or in China, the temperature is 7 to 8 degrees, 9 degrees centigrade maximum. It's still very cold and it is dry. So that is the type of a temperature in which this virus transmits much better and is probably more lethal. Whereas if you take the places where the virus is not, it is there, but it is not spreading so alarmingly, not causing so many deaths. But this is still, as of now, maybe in 3 weeks' time, we'll have to revise this. I told you it's a moving target. God alone knows whether the scenario will change. So all the places where you have, whether you have South America, whether you have Africa, whether you have Arabia, whether you have South Asia, India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Jakarta, you're not seeing those overwhelming cases, maybe because the temperature is protecting. That's one theory. And the second interesting theory, which is a fascinating theory, is about the BCG vaccine. आमका याद आसा की आम्ही ल्हान आसतना आमका BCG vaccine against TB मेळटाली पळय. आम्ही पळयल्यार आमच्या हातीर किंवा पायार एक स्कार आसतलो, दाग आसतलो, मार्क आसा, द BCG vaccine. सो ही एक आता एक थियरी आयल्या की जे देशांक युनिवर्सल BCG प्रोग्राम आशिल्लो पळय, ह्या देशांनी इतलो परिणाम जावंक ना ह्या कोविडाचो. इट्स अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थियरी. आमचो युनिवर्सल BCG प्रोग्राम सगळ्या भुरग्यांक BCG मेळिल्ली स्टार्टेड इन 1949 and it still goes on. It is part of the universal BCG program. So also in every part of Africa, so also in part of the USSR. गडे जायत ताका लागून रशियान तुका इतल्यो केसी मेळना. USSR has got a universal BCG program. Means USSR म्हणल्यार रशिया, काझाकस्तान, तुर्कमेनिस्तान, उझबेकिस्तान, ते सगळे ओल्ड स्टेट्स आशिल्ले पळय ते ऑफ अर्स्टवाइल रशिया. किंवा इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया हांगा universal BCG program चलता. Even in Japan, you have a universal BCG program which has been eliminated in 2005 or 2006. 2005 and बंद केले. So जे देशान universal BCG program ना, तो एक अमेरिका, दुसरो कॅनडा आणि तिसरो ऑस्ट्रेलिया हांगा युनिव्हर्सल बीसीजी प्रोग्राम ना आणि आम्ही पळयतात या देशांनी खूप केसीस आसात. युरोप इज व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. Europe, there are certain countries which have a universal BCG program. Portugal, Norway, Finland, there are universal BCG programs there. They are tapering it off, but there were universal BCG programs for quite some time. Spain, interestingly, which has got a very high volume of cases, they stopped their BCG program in 1980 or 81. So whether that population did not get protected enough. BCG it gets a kind of an immunity, not necessarily against tuberculosis, but against many other pathogens as well. Then Germany stopped their BCG program in 2005. That's why probably they postulate that Germany and Austria are not getting this overwhelming case. Netherlands did not have a universal BCG program. Their numbers are pretty high. And what is the most fascinating thing about this theory? Iran, you will ask. Iran is another interesting concept because most of the poor and the underdeveloped countries of the time used to have a universal BCG program. Iran has a universal BCG program, but Iran started it in 1985.
Okay.
So तांचे जाणटे लोकांक immunity ना जाल्यार कळना. But the most fascinating bit, Pramod, is the country that has never given a single BCG shot to its population from the time the BCG vaccine has been started. Is guess which? Is Italy. Is Italy. So Italy is in so many cases. So that is why this theory now is coming to the fore that probably those countries that had a universal BCG program not only protected themselves against tuberculosis, but perhaps against this virus as well. To the extent that today, Australia and Netherlands are already in trials to give BCG vaccine to their frontline workers, their nurses, paramedical, doctor, BCG vaccine to hope that they can fight against the virus. So गरज आहेत की आमच्या जाणट्या पिढ्यांनी कितें केल्लें पळय तें आमकां बऱ्याक पडलें. गरज आहेत. We don't know. These are all theories, but they are fascinating theories that are coming.
एक गजाल सांगता की we are establishing this hotline with all the prominent people so that you guys should be able to talk to Goa as and when you want to and pass on the right messaging. So today was one such effort. So I should really thank you for taking the time out and talking to us. I request you only one thing. Let us keep doing this every 2, 3, 4 days so that people get the right perspective as the situation develops. Otherwise, we are fully capable of coming out on streets in huge numbers from 15.
Correct. But what is very important, Pramod, the message that I would like to give more than just a medical message, my socio-political message that I cannot resist from giving whenever I give it to you. There is one non-negotiable in this fight against coronavirus, that the government and the citizen both are in it together and both need to respect one another to take this fight forward. We cannot be indisciplined, neither can the government be indisciplined or complacent, nor can the citizenry be indisciplined and complacent. It is the responsibility of each and every individual to go around and fight this particular virus. And one small message for the Chief Minister, Pramod Sawant, who I know is doing a tough job. It's one of the toughest jobs to be the head of state in a crisis like this. But one message for him, if I can put you through this thing, instead of him losing his head and hectoring the public, like I'm going to punish the Tablighi fellows, and I don't care whether the Goa is to be blamed tomorrow if the pandemic breaks open, or losing his head, I think he should just keep himself calm. So far, things are under control. He should be more reassuring to the public rather than lecturing them or frightening them or ticking them off, which I think does not serve his purpose and does not serve the purpose of the public. This is my message.
Thanks a lot, Dodar. Request to you, we will keep doing this periodically so that people get the right picture and right assessment. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thank you, Pramod. Thank you.